How to see all of your comments on Facebook. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So in order to see all of your comments on Facebook, you need to follow this simple step. First of all, go ahead, open your Facebook application, log into your account, tap on the three lines in the top right corner of your screen, and then scroll down, go to settings and privacy, and then go to settings. You need to go ahead, scroll down, and find the Your Activities section. Then go to Activity Log. And on the top of the screen, scroll across to find and tap on the activity history. Now from this page, you need to scroll down and then tap on activity history. Here, go ahead and use the filters option. Go to categories and select interactions. Then select comments and you'll see all the comments you have ever done on Facebook. If you want to delete it, tap on the three dots beside it, then tap on delete. And you can see that I have deleted a comment. Likewise, if you want to delete all of it, go ahead, select all, move it to recycle bin. You can also go ahead, open the recycle bin, and then tap on delete whatever is in this section over here, and you'll be done. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.